So we need to work on our production systems. And I use the example of, would you believe me if I said there's a way to gather hundreds of tons of metal, rubber, steel, cloth, fuel, have a bunch of people put it together that are not the sharpest knives in the drawer. They're good people, not the brightest bulbs in the box, but they're still really, really good people. And have all these people put this, assemble all this metal and rubber and cloth and everything else into a 5-story building, put 300 people inside it, and fly it across the country. Boeing, Airbus, Lockheed does it all the time. No one person in that company knows how to build the entire plane. But everybody working as a team, they can build the plane. It just fascinates me because there's no atheist on the plane, at least not me, that's for sure. So, because I'm sitting there thinking to myself, this entire thing was put together by the lowest bidder, and I'm going to fly on it. Oh my gosh, life is good. Well, the point is that they can build planes, and so I tell my contractors, let's do this. Let's document the process in such a way, and we're going to make it bilingual. And this is very important. It has to be bilingual. Words for women, pictures for men. So we put together a whole series of screenshots and different things on how to do stuff. So for example, for my electricians, a lot of them will put the switches at 48 inches and the plug-ins at 12 inches. And so I say, this is going to sound kind of crazy. Let's go down and get a piece of aluminum square rod, smooth off on both ends, and put a mark, we have a special way to do it, at the different heights. And so take that rod and just lay it up against the 2x4s, make a mark, make a mark, make a mark, not a tape measure. Somebody comes along and they drill at a certain height. And so we develop an assembly line on how things are done, and everything is documented. Now, there's 2 times to build a system. The worst time to build a system is when you're actually doing the work. Now, the best time to build a system is when you're actually doing the work. And this is where a lot of my contractors have a problem. I don't have time to build these systems you're talking about. I said, that's okay. When you're too old to work, then you look back and say, I wish I would have listened. So the key is building these systems and processes. And it's so funny because it's all predictable. All they have to do is document it. Now, once they document it, Tomer, a funny thing happens. They find efficiencies and ways to be a little more efficient each time.